Hey guys, my name is Joshua Painter from Remax Trend here in Cape Coral, Florida. I'm standing out here in front of our brand new listing at 3451 Acapulco Circle here in the village of Entrada. This is a DR Horton community. This is America's builder, and the community here is very nice. When you get to the clubhouse and take a look at the resort style pool and some of the other amenities they have to offer, we have the amenity video that you guys are happy to watch. Just click on the card and you can go and check out all that Entrada has to offer. This is the 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the Aria model. It's got a paver driveway. It's a really nice home, and I want you guys to see it firsthand. So come on inside and let's take a look around. All right, here we are. This is a DR Horton Express home. This is the Aria model, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. So we've got tile throughout, except for in the bedrooms. And this lot is a 50-foot lot with western exposure. If you look at the open concept, which is really nice, even as you're making dinner, you can take a look out the windows and look at the wildlife. Take a look at the natural sunsets. You could enjoy Southwest Florida's finest living right here in the comfort of your own home. All right, here we are. This is the master bedroom suite. These rooms are very nice size. They can accommodate king-size furniture, and you've got preserved views out your window. And what the owner really loves about this home are when she's laying in bed at night, she can take a look outside and see the full moon and the stars. This is Southwest Florida living at its finest. All right guys, here we are at the back of the home, taking a look at the beautiful preserve. So nobody will ever move in behind you here. You're always going to have some privacy. Also, the sunsets here are amazing through the trees. And you know, this is the village of Entrada. This is a DR Horton community, and you know, this is our little piece of paradise.